Neither this web presentation, PowerPoint, nor any of its content is an offer or a solicitation to invest in any security and does not form part of any solicitation or offering that may exist now or in the future. The content of this presentation is provided for general information purposes only and is not intended to solicit the purchase of securities or be used as investment or tax advice. It is strictly for explanatory purposes. This information is not intended to provide specific, personalized advice including, without limitation, investment, financial, legal, accounting, or tax advice. Felmina Alliance offers reliable, dedicated, experienced, efficient, unique service. It's a passive strategic solution for everyday people. Felmina Alliance is an investment company offering its services to individual and corporate clients worldwide. A 15-year-old company based and legally registered in Panama. Issues a certificate of deposit, offers income plans that are 100% passive. An affiliate referral plan is available, and it's 100% optional. No recruiting, no MLM, no marketing, no hype. Felmina Alliance Inc. USA trading accounts, which holds the funds of clients, is located on the world's largest trading platforms, eTrade.com and TDAmeritrade.com. Both of these trading platforms are incorporated members of SEC, NFA, FINRA, FDIC, and SIPC, which protects the securities of its members up to $500,000, including $250,000 for claims. Therefore, all Felmina funds are insured, and if there are any difficulties, Felmina attorneys can fill out a claim under the Securities Investor Protection Act. This protects the Felmina investment portfolio. Felmina offers 3 effective plans, solid and reasonable. Plan 1. The company is willing to pay out 1% daily. It's a minimum of $20 for 180 business days. Plan 2. The company is willing to pay out 1.25% daily, a minimum of $1,000 for 180 business days. And Plan 3. The company is willing to pay out 1.6% daily and a minimum of $5,000 for 180 business days. This illustration will be based on Plan 2, 180 days. Generally, 180 days is 6 months or so. 180 business days is approximately 8 months, depending on when the plan begins. Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays are excluded. Felmina has a unique 2-step strategy with 2 compounding options. First, the enhanced compounder. Here, clients can build a nest egg quickly. It compounds daily at 100%. Its locked-in period of 180 business days. Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays are excluded. Available rates, 1.4% to 2%. 2. The basic compounder. Savings and income. It compounds daily at 10% all the way up to 100%. This is the client's choice, and the available balance can be withdrawn at any time. 180 business days is the term. Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays are excluded. Available rates are from 1% to 1.6%. Step 1. The enhanced compounder. The initial amount, $1,000. Term, 180 business days. The result is based on a simple formula. $1,000 at 1.65%, compounded daily at 100% for 180 business days equals $25,132.96. Now the initial amount will be returned, $1,000. That equals $24,132.96 earned in Step 1. Now Step 2 can begin with approximately $24,133. Final earned amounts may change based on the client's discretion because clients can add to their account. As soon as the principal amount reaches $5,000, the interest rate will increase. In this particular case, the increase took place around day 100. Step 2. The basic compounder. The initial amount, $24,133. Step 1 earnings. Days, this is the second 180 business day term. The compounding rate would normally be 100% if this were the enhanced compounder. But in the basic compounder, clients have a flexible compounding rate. So in this illustration, we'll be using 50%. The result, continue from Step 1 using the basic compounding option, $24,133 at 1.6%, compounded daily at 50% for for 180 business days equals $154,286.49. Over the second term of 180 business days, starting on day 181 of the strategy, client accounts can accumulate up to $77,143 in savings and potentially have up to $77,143 available for withdrawal. Withdrawal can be made any time, daily, weekly, or monthly. The available balance is available for withdrawal anytime, daily, weekly, or monthly. Using this strategy through Felmina could provide an income of over $6,000 to $9,000 monthly and growing. This is an important note. Because the basic compounder allows flexibility in the compounding rate, clients can determine the amount that is compounded as well as the amount in the available balance for withdrawal. This unique strategy can be repeated or stopped anytime. Each client has individual control over their accounts. Clients can walk away, withdraw all funds from their available balance anytime, or continue working with the basic compounder over and over. Day 181, $24,133 at 1.6% total interest amount per day of $386.13, and it goes up each day. 50% is added to the principal, and 50% goes into the available balance for withdrawal anytime, daily, weekly, or monthly. Felmina Alliance promotes client control and flexibility. Clients may have multiple accounts. Spouses may have joint and separate accounts. Clients may have accounts for an LLC. Clients may have an account for nonprofit. Clients may have enhanced or basic accounts, and clients can add funds to any account at any time. Felmina clients have the option to start with an enhanced account, basic account, or both. So if a client already has a nest egg, they can skip step 1 and the enhanced compounder and start with step 2, the basic compounder. A certificate of deposit is issued for each account. Ways to fund a Felmina account. Clients can use Liberty Reserve, EaglePay, Perfect Money, and Western Union or MoneyGram can be used to fund any of those accounts. Clients may also use the bank wire option from Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, or Wells Fargo. WM Center International Finance Company is also able to do bank wires. To fund a Felmina account by credit card, see Felmina FAQs for more information on Visa and MasterCard. Everything clients need to know is found in the FAQs. Felmina offers a very user-friendly website. Clients can choose the area they're most interested in. A list of questions will appear under that heading. Once a question has been chosen, the answer will appear just below the question, so there's no need to surf the site or look anyplace else for the answers. Contacting Felmina is easy. Their physical address is 50th Street, Global Plaza Tower, 19th floor, Suite E, Panama City, 0833, Panama. Phone support is available daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. EDT, and here is the phone number. Email support@felmina.com. Potential clients can open a Felmina account right away and fund it whenever they are ready. They will have full access to the back office and the calculators and no monthly website fees to worry about. Felmina Alliance is doing business the passive way. There is no recruiting, there is no sponsoring necessary.